Yo, what's up, people? It's Mr. Lynch here, your local 8th grade teacher, English teacher, coming at you right now to give you your daily mini lesson video. Okay, bear with us as we get through because today is an important day. Today I'm going to teach you how to do a long write. Okay, a long write is going to be something that's going to be very specific, very detailed, with evidence, and it's going to be something that's going to be really important for you as future high schoolers. So pay attention to this video, and we're going to zoom right through it, and I know you guys will all get A's. So here we go. Alright, in today's mini lesson video, we're going to show you how to do a long write. So listen up for the directions right here, and I'll give you some options on how to get an A today. You're going to pick from 3 questions, okay? 3 questions. You can write about Mary Maloney from Lamb to the Slaughter. You could write about a new story that's right below. It's called Telltale Heart by Edgar Allan Poe. Or you have an option of picking number 3, which is about your book. Okay? So look down here for the next available questions. Alright, so now that you know what you are writing about, here are going to be your 3 questions, what you're going to be using to help you get a 4 today. Question 1 is, why or how is Mary a complex character? Cite your evidence and use page numbers to prove that she is complex and that she has many traits. Question 2. You must read or listen to the new story in the Schoology folder if you hit next. This is question 2. How does the author Edgar Allan Poe continue to develop suspense in his story Telltale Heart? So think about from the beginning to the end, how does he create or maintain suspense? Option number 3, this is your book. Okay, this is from your book. So if you pick number 3, this is about your book. Question 3 is, what is one theory you have about your character? And make a prediction about the end of the book. So again, pick one of those 3 options. Option 1, how is Mary considered to be a complex character? Use evidence page numbers to create her traits. Question 2, how does Edgar Allan Poe create and maintain suspense in the story called Telltale Heart? And option 3, what's one theory you have about your character from your book? Make a prediction about the ending too. Okay, so now you know what you're going to be writing about, and now you know your questions. Here are a few tips in order for you to be a better writer. Tip number 1. Be detailed and specific. Do not be vague or generic. Be specific. Be details. Or use details. Be detailed. Okay? Use page numbers, paragraph numbers, and specific parts in the story. Okay? In order for you to be successful in high school, you must cite sources as well. So use page numbers. Tip number 3, you got to write at least 6 sentences to get credit today. 6. Okay, 6 sentences for credit. You got to do it. You're 8th graders. You're big enough. You got to do it. And tip number 4, use the sentence starters. Okay, if you go to the discussion page on the next part of this, there are some sentence starters for you. So use those, please. Tips from Mr. Lynch. Be specific. Use details. Cite page numbers and evidence. Write 6 sentences. And use the sentence starters.